Hi friends, myself Athira Sajan, studying in Plus 2 Science in Union High Secondary School, Mambra, and I would like to speak about something which is very special and beautiful. Wonder what it is? Actually, it's a simple thing. It's about a smile. You may think, what is so important about a smile? We all smile, don't we? But not always. Sometimes we hesitate to smile. But smile has got so much of power within it. So, I shall talk about the power of a smile. A smile on the face is something which makes a man different from that of animals. It makes one beautiful and attractive too. If a person does not smile, it is very difficult to deal with him. Once, Swami Vivekananda was walking on the street with his disciples. One of his disciples had a sad face. Vivekananda did not like it. He felt a little angry. He said to him, "Why do you keep your face covered? If you go out of the room, have a smile on your face." A person who cannot smile cannot enjoy life. We have seen people using different kinds of cosmetics. They spend a lot of money for that. Smile is the best cosmetic that makes our faces beautiful. Moreover, we do not have to pay anything for it. Smile is a powerful weapon too. We can use it to deal with our enemies. When someone gets angry, try this new weapon, a smile. You will turn the enemy into a friend. The words of Gandhiji are very important here. He says, "You are not fully dressed until you wear a smile on your face." Friends, we are here in this world just for a few years. Why do we waste our lives in fighting and quarreling? Why should we have a sad and sorrowful face? Just be friendly with everyone. Keep a smile on your face. A smiling face will give you many friends. A smile on the face is a clear sign that you are happy and satisfied. You can smile at others and they too will be happy. So guys, keep smiling and spread happiness. As you know that the power of a gun can kill. The power of fire can burn. The power of wind can chill. And the power of a mind can learn. The power of anger can rage inside until it tears you apart. But the power of a smile, especially yours, can heal a frozen heart. Thank you.